video for this hour because I need to eat lunch. I'll come back after lunch and finish. So this is gonna be my first aid kit. I'm gonna do first aid and pencil back. I think this is actually period. Let me check. Yeah, this is period. So, period, kit, and pencil back. I should change things up there. So this is my bag I've been using for a while now as my first aid kit. I think I use it for both. That's why I say that. So I'm just taking the items out. Easier. Okay. That's everything. So all that can fit in here is 2 pads. So there's 2 pads and 2 regular tampons. I don't wear tampons that much, and then the instructions for the tampons. I don't wear tampons that much, but I'm not gonna use this until just like last resort. So I want to go swimming. One more, so I can always try run out. Keep placing my tampons. I need to get more pads now. So let's go put that back in here. And now, this is my pencil bag. You guys have seen it before. The keychain is still my Prism Awareness. So what's in here? You may be asking. So in this pouch, I have my flash drive. Keep changing my flash drive. And then I have 3, unless I get more, if I get more, I'll update it. For now, 3 highlighters, blue, pink, and orange. So, that's all. In that pouch, in this pouch, I have, which I have to get more, planning on getting more, 3 colored pens, actually 5, I'm gonna get probably different ones, and then just different ones, and take these ones out and put the new ones in. But for now, this one now. Those are going back in now. So it was maybe changed so far. So I added my flash. But I've changed stuff. And yeah. So in my biggest pouch, which I just loaded, fits everything else. So, just in case, I'll probably move this. And then this wasn't about moving it. It's just some lip treatment stuff. In case my lips good. I want to keep that to where I can see it. I might just put that in my bag so I don't remember that's in here. A black pen. This one's just special. It likes neat. Then I have 3 more black pens, so I have a total of 4 black pens. I'm gonna get way more. I have 3 Sharpies. 1 I had, 2 I got when I broke my arm. If you guys remember. Broke this hand. And then I got 2. Yeah. I got 2 regular pencils. Got a green pencil sharpener. I got whiteout. Going to need more of this. Got a stapler remover. Trying to find. I have a stapler. Show it to you. It's a stapler I have. Don't fit. So you might have to get a new stapler. Or I have to either get a new stapler or new staples. But here's the one I have now. As it gets closer to January when I go back to school, I might change this one unless I can find staples for it. And then I added scissors. I just added these. This was in my home chest, which I'm going to put back. But I have eraser. I need more. I need to make a list of things I need. And then everything else, most since I use them for drawing, writing letters, taking notes at school. All of these are mechanical pencils. These ones, I don't remember in here. This one right here, I don't remember being in here, but I think I found it in my room. These 3 have been in here since last semester. This one was in there somewhere. One thing I need to stock up on, since I have all of these mechanical pencils, a whole bunch of no, these 4 ones. Sure. None of these are broken, they're just out of life. And then all of these this one. So all of these right here I already had. This one I think I found because I don't remember. And all of these, no, take them out. Finally, all of these, and there's probably more, I added. probably gonna take some out my cab. I need my cab. A couple of my own ones, like a couple of these ones. Like, I'm probably gonna have a total of 10. So I'm gonna have like 2 of these. I'm just picking up 2. 2 of these. Which that makes 4. And then 6, which is like another color of my newish ones. You can so tell which ones are my old ones and which ones. My old ones have, since I use them, have eraser marks. My new ones don't. So, yeah. These I found also. These are Papermate. Probably not more. I want that much. These 2, I think I found out in Ohio. At either Walmart or Target. Ones like this, I found, I think Walmart, Target, or discount. What these for? I don't remember. I think the rest of these I'm just gonna find a safe place. I'm only gonna keep them in here though. They look newish. Most likely I'll just have 10 of my new ones. I've had one old one. 2 old ones. These one not one. These black ones I use mostly for my writing and drawing. That's why they're like this. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 right there. I can't have them all number. 8, 9, 10. I'm taking this one out. Taking this one out. I'm taking this one. That's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there we go. And these, I'll probably just have a couple of these in here. Probably these 4 for like backups. And then the rest of these I'm going to keep out. So anyhow, that was a long video. But that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it 2 thumbs up. Actually, 1 thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, rate, comment, and share. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!